Welcome to SNAPTAIN S5C Ultra tutorial. We'll guide you through setting up your drone for its very first flight. Unboxing. Open the box and remove SNAPTAIN S5C Ultra and its accessories. Download the app. Download and install SNAPTAIN Sky from Google Play or App Store. Flight preparation. Unfold the front arms, then the rear arms. Remove the protective film. Insert the battery into the drone. Charge the battery with the USB charging cable provided in the box. The top indicator light changes with the battery's charging progress. Insert a memory card into the memory card slot. Use the screwdriver to open the battery compartment. Insert 3 AAA batteries. Close the battery cover, then tighten the screw. Unfold the phone holder and handles. Then mount your mobile phone to the phone holder. Place the drone on a flat and level surface, then press and hold the power button on the drone for 2 seconds to power it on. Press and hold the power button on the remote for 2 seconds to power it on. The drone will automatically pair with the remote. When pairing, the status indicators flash red rapidly. The status indicators will show 2 quick green flashes in a loop when the pairing is successful. Connect the app. Navigate to the Wi-Fi setting of your mobile phone and search for SNAPTAIN S5C Ultra Wi-Fi to connect. Launch the SNAPTAIN Sky app, then tap Start to enter the main page to see the live preview. Calibration. Compass calibration. Option 1. Press and hold the compass calibration button on the remote for 3 seconds to activate compass calibration. Option 2. Launch the app, go to Control and tap Calibrate Compass, and follow the instructions to perform horizontal and vertical calibration. Gyroscope calibration. Option 1. Simultaneously push the left control stick to the lower left corner and the right control stick to the upper right corner to start gyroscope calibration. Option 2. Tap gyroscope calibration in the app and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Search for GPS signals. Wait for the drone to search for GPS signals and enter GPS mode. Then, it is ready for takeoff. Flight control. Please fly the drone in an open area. Place the drone on a level surface. Takeoff. Option 1. Manual takeoff. Push both sticks inward at 45 degrees to unlock the motors. Then, push the left control stick forward. Option 2. One-key takeoff. Press and hold the one-key takeoff button for 1 second to make the drone ascend and hover at a height of 1.2 meters. Flight directions. The left control stick is used for adjusting the flight altitude and nose direction. The right control stick is to control the drone to fly forward, backward, and to the left and right. Tap the menu button in the top right corner to customize flight parameters. Switch speeds. Toggle the speed switch to select between 2 speed levels. Slide left for slow, right for fast. Taking photos and videos. The photo and video buttons are located at the top left of the remote controller. Press the photo button on the remote or tap the photo icon in the app to take a photo. Press the video button on the remote or tap the video icon in the app to start recording. Press again to stop. Tap the left shooting menu to choose from multiple smart shooting modes, or swipe the shooting menu on the right to explore more options. The camera up-down button is located at the top right corner of the remote controller. Press the camera up and down buttons on the remote to tilt the camera between 0 degrees and 90 degrees. Tap the album icon to view your photos and videos. Photos and videos will be saved on both your mobile phone and memory card. 1 key return. Press and hold the return button for 1 second on the remote. The drone will automatically return to the recorded takeoff point. Landing. Option 1. Manual landing. Push the left control stick backward to land the drone. Option 2. 1 key landing. Press and hold the landing button for 1 second to make the drone descend and land until the propellers stop rotating. Storage. Press and hold the power button to turn off the drone and the remote controller. Remove the drone battery for better storage. Fold the drone arms. Place the drone and remote controller into the storage bag. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your flight.